Let's practice some basic algebra. What's 2x plus x? This is like saying what's 2x plus 1x. There's a hidden 1 there in front of the x. What's 2 apples plus 1 apples? And the answer is 3 apples. What's 2 x-ray machines plus 1 x-ray machine? It's 3 x-ray machines. What is 5x minus 3x? This can be thought of as dollars. What's $5 minus $3? And the answer would be $2. Now let's try this question here. This is a bit harder because there are 3 terms and we have different denominators. So this is like adding fractions. There's a hidden 1 in front of here, and we would like all the denominators to be the same. Recall some previous math. If you ask the question, what's 1/2 plus 1/3, we need to find a common denominator. So 2 times 3 is 6. We're going to make the bottoms a 6, and we're adding fractions. To make the bottom a 6, the 2 is multiplied by 3 to become 6. So we also have to multiply the top by 3 as well. So 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. To go from 3 to a 6, we're multiplying by 2. So we multiply the top by 2 as well. So 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. We're adding fractions. We simply combine these 2 terms into 1 term, and we add the tops. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we know how to add fractions. And so when we're talking about a question like what's 5x minus 3x, we're essentially just doing some basic arithmetic with the coefficients. What's 5 minus 3? The answer is 2. And we simply copy the x here. In the same way, for this question, we have a bunch of x's, and we're just simply doing some arithmetic with the coefficients. So if you're really to focus on the coefficients, what we have here is 1/2, we have a positive 1/3, and we have a negative 1. And of course we're talking about x's, so we need to stick an x here as well. But we know how to do this kind of math. Focus on the number 1. This can be written as 1/1. We want to find the LCM of 2, 3, and 1, which would be 6. So we have a 6 here, we have a 6 here, we have a minus sign, we have a 6 here. So 2 times 3 is 6, so we have a numerator of 3/6, which is equivalent to 1/2. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have a numerator of 2, and 1 times 6 is 6, so 1/1 is equivalent to 6/6, and now we can do this kind of math. So this part here is equivalent to 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 6 is negative 1. So we have negative 1/6, and of course, because we're dealing with x's, the final answer would be negative 1/6x, which is equivalent to negative x/6. By the way, here is a little mental math trick. If I say what's 2/3 plus, we'll say 3/5. Yes, we can find a common denominator, 15. But you can also do a little trick here. You can try multiplying diagonally. 3 times 3 is 9. And 2 times 5 is 10. So when you have 9 plus 10, we have 19 as the numerator. And then you simply multiply across. 3 times 5 is 15. Now it's your turn. What's 3a plus a minus 5a? And the second question is, what's x/5 plus 1/3 x minus 2x? Type your answer into the comments.